Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of discussion is types of evidence. So there are following types of evidence: direct evidence, circumstantial evidence, real evidence or physical evidence, demonstrative evidence, exculpatory evidence, character evidence, hearsay evidence, documentary evidence, digital evidence, forensic evidence and testimonial evidence. So first of all we will discuss about direct evidence. डायरेक्ट एविडेंस इज द एविडेंस विच रिक्वायर्स नो इन्फेरेंस. इसमें किसी किस्म की मुदाखलत नहीं होती, ये डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड होती है विटनेस से और एलाइड क्राइम या एलाइड सीन से या एलाइड फैक्ट से जिसके मुतालिक एविडेंस दी जानी है. Direct evidence is the evidence that directly links a person to crime without any inference. Generally speaking, there are two primary types of evidence: direct evidence and circumstantial evidence. Direct evidence is the most powerful type of evidence as it requires no inference at all. Direct like an eyewitness or the witness who have heard the alleged offense. It is some kind of real evidence to prove a fact in question. The evidence alone is the proof. This should be the testimony of the witness who saw or heard the event in question. A common example is sworn testimony of an eyewitness. Next type of evidence is the real or physical evidence. Real evidence is also called physical evidence. It consists of physical objects that can be offered into evidence and plays a very important role in the matter. These physical objects leads to the litigation at hand. For example, firearms, fingerprints, ropes, bullets, etc. Next type is circumstantial evidence. This type of evidence is also called indirect evidence. It is based upon the circumstances. It is a form of evidence that implies a judge or jury to infer or accept a fact based on a set of known circumstances. A fact that can be used to infer another fact. इसमें ये होता है कि एक फैक्ट है, उसको दूसरे फैक्ट जो हैं वो उसको corroborate करते हैं, उसको करते हैं, इसका इन्फर करते हैं, उसको कंक्लूड करते हैं कि ये फैक्ट दुरुस्त हैं या गलत हैं, तो इसको circumstantial evidence कहते हैं. This type of evidence is used to infer something based on series of fact separate from the fact separate from the fact. It requires a deduction of fact from other facts that can be proven, and while not considered to be strong evidence, it can be relevant in workplace investigation which have different burden of proof than real investigation. So next type of evidence is demonstrative type of evidence. So demonstrative evidence is evidence which is presented by any attorney or which is presented by attorney in a court to demonstrate something, and this is prepared by an attorney in an effort to assist the trier of the fact in visualizing or comprehending other evidence. The example, an object or document is considered to be the demonstrative evidence when it directly demonstrates a fact. It is common and reliable kind of evidence. And the examples are photograph, video, audio recording, charts, etc. In workplace investigation, this could be an audio recording of someone harassing behavior or a photograph of an offensive graffiti. So this is a demonstrative evidence. Next type of evidence is exculpatory evidence. As exculpatory evidence means an evidence which provides any, ये कोई किसी किस्म का कोई उज़र पेश करती हैं, and it is always used in the defense of the defendant. During trial proceeding, defense team will often present evidence that serve to either justify, excuse or introduce reasonable doubt about the defendant's alleged actions and intentions. And this is called exculpatory evidence. अब ये जो evidence है ये कहती है कि अब एक defendant है, वो उसके बारे में उसके defense में कोई चीज़ पेश की जाए, किसी भी किस्म का कोई उज़र पेश किया जाए, जैसे प्ली ऑफ एलिबाई है कि वो वहाँ पे मौजूद नहीं था, या सेल्फ डिफेंस में कोई पेश किया जाए कि उसने ये चीज़ अपने डिफेंस में की थी, जो भी क्राइम किया या कोई एक्शन कमिट किया तो अपने डिफेंस में किया, या उसकी इंटेंशन नहीं थी, अनइंटेंशनली हो गया, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं, जो भी चीज़ें इसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए पेश की जाती हैं, एक्सकल्पेटरी एविडेंस कहते हैं. इट इज़ यूज्ड टू डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट दैट डिफेंडेंट इज नॉट गिल्टी. So the next type of evidence is character evidence. This type of evidence is used to demonstrate the moral standing of person based on their reputation in their respective community and is considered as a character evidence. This is a testimony or document that is used to help to prove that someone acted in a particular way based on the person's character. It can be used in some workplace investigation to prove intent, motive और opportunity. अब ये किसी भी बंदे का करेक्टर जो है उसको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए, या उसको करेक्टर के बारे में कहने के लिए, या उसकी मॉरल स्टैंडिंग को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए जो एविडेंस पेश की जाती है उसको करेक्टर एविडेंस कहते हैं. और करेक्टर विटनेस क्या होता है कि अ करेक्टर विटनेस इज अ पर्सन हु टेस्टिफाई इन कोर्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ अनदर पर्सन टू स्पीक ऑन देयर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव ट्रेट्स. So the next type of evidence is hearsay evidence. Hearsay evidence is कि किसी और से सुनकर जो एविडेंस पेश की जाए, यानी मैंने फलां से सुना, उसने ये देखा, उसने कहा कि मैंने ये देखा, मैंने उससे सुना, तो वो आके पेश. इट इज अ वीक टाइप ऑफ एविडेंस. अ स्टेटमेंट मेड बाय अ पर्सन हु आर नॉट प्रेजेंट ऑन द alleged crime scene and who are not the direct witness of some circumstances or alleged event or alleged fact in question. Hearsay evidence consists of a statement made by witness who are not present. While hearsay evidence is not admissible in court, it can be relevant and valuable in workplace investigation, where burden of proof is less robust than in court. It is generally inadmissible evidence. So the next type of evidence is documentary evidence, most commonly considered to be the written form of proof such as letters, wills, signed contract deeds, etc. This type of evidence is based on any kind of document and any kind of written form, and this might include signed contract, deed or will. To be admitted in court case, all documentary evidence must be proven to be authentic. Primary and secondary evidence are also forms of documentary evidence. Next type of evidence is digital evidence. Digital evidence can be any sort of digital file from an electronic source. This include email, text messages, instant messages, files, documents extracted from hard drives, electronic financial transactions, audio files, video files. Digital evidence can be found on any server or drive that can store data, including some lesser known sources such as home video game consoles, GPS, sports watches, internet enabled devices used in home automation. Digital evidence is often found through internet search using open source intelligence. So this is a digital evidence. Next kind of evidence is forensic evidence. Forensic evidence is a scientific evidence and is the most powerful evidence and strong evidence and most helpful and reliable type of evidence in criminal litigation. It is evidence which is based on knowledge that has been developed by using scientific method. It consists of DNA, trace evidence, fingerprints, ballistics reports, medical legal reports, and can provide proof to establish person's guilt or innocence. Forensic evidence is generally considered to be a strong, reliable evidence, and alongside helping to convict criminals, and its role is exonerating innocent. अच्छा, इसमें ये होता है कि ये स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइप ऑफ एविडेंस है, मोस्ट रिलायबल टाइप ऑफ एविडेंस है, साइंटिफिक एविडेंस है बेस्ड ऑन द मेडिकल लीगल रिपोर्ट्स, आपके पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट्स, फिंगरप्रिंट्स, बैलिस्टिक रिपोर्ट्स, DNA रिपोर्ट्स, ऑल दीज आर इंक्लूडेड इन फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट्स. This is usually used in criminal cases and it is important to exonerate an innocent person and to convict a guilty person. So this term of forensic means for the court. This type of evidence you can be used in workplace investigation and is generally limited to serious cases that may end up in court. So next type of evidence is prima facie evidence or presumptive evidence. Prima facie evidence meaning on its first appearance, presented before trial court that it is enough to prove something until it is successfully disproved or rebutted at trial. ये प्रामा फिशाई एविडेंस अपनी फर्स्ट अपेयरेंस, कोर्ट के फर्स्ट अपेयरेंस पे ये प्रेजेंट की जाती है फैक्ट कि ये चीजें हैं, वो उसको प्रूव्ड कंसीडर किया जाता है, एडमिसिबल कंसीडर किया जाता है अनटिल उसको डिसप्रूव ना किया जाए. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है टेस्टिमोनियल एविडेंस. दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड स्वॉर्न एविडेंस, स्वॉर्न टेस्टिमनी ऑफ अ विटनेस. It is a spoken or written evidence given by witness on oath. This type of evidence can be gathered in court at deposition or through an affidavit. Testimony witness can be used for both prosecution and defense in trial. When prosecution witness are questioned by the prosecutors, it is called direct examination or examination in chief. When they are later questioned by defense attorney, it is called cross-examination. The same is true for the defense witness when roles are reversed. So, next type of evidence is analogical evidence. This type of evidence uses comparison of things that are similar to draw an analogy, useful for increasing credibility in court. So this is the end of the topic. Please subscribe my channel.